All right, we've got the, I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, TheraBreath Healthy Gums Periodontist Formulated 24-hour oral rinse with clean mint. And I've been using this almost every day for a little over a year now. And I before that I used some other mouthwashes, um, specifically ones that burn. This one doesn't really burn. This one doesn't burn, but I feel like this is my favorite. Yeah, I saw the reviews from other people just raving about it. And I'm like, you know what? Let me give this a try, and it works. And there's no burning, and I feel like it just my breath just smells good. I drink coffee every day, and this just you know it makes me not have to stop drinking coffee because it just is a miracle. So if you're looking for a mouthwash or you're looking to potentially try a different mouthwash, at least try this. Give this a try because I think it's a miracle. So get it.